Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We've all been there. I'm sure you know it too well. That moment when you take a look at your bank account and cringe at the ATM screen. Bills are coming up, your car broke down, and your friend's party happens next week. So, what are we supposed to do now? Well, if this is your situation, we might have a solution for you. In today's video, we'll be sharing 7 business ideas and things you can do to make money. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 1. YouTube. As long as you can get into a library or sit near a Starbucks, you can access the internet. I mean, if you can watch this video, then there's a reason you can't start your own YouTube channel, right? Nowadays, DSLR cameras are getting phased out by smartphone cameras. Now that's sorted out. What interesting topics will you talk about? Will you can chronicle your daily life, talk about your curiosities, or show off your skills? Anything's possible. Although no one may be interested in what you have to offer at first, remember that someone out there will be. You may generate money in a variety of ways in YouTube. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular, where you have the simple task of reviewing gadgets and other products. Influencing is another YouTube opportunity. As your channel grows in popularity, you may collaborate with other YouTubers or companies selling relevant things. People will pay you to promote their online or physical store. Again, the possibilities are unlimited. This last one is essentially passive income, which is, to be honest, the best type of money. Good all, ad revenue. This income won't become apparent until you gain subscribers and views, but you'll get a decent paycheck if you do. Number 2. The bizarre money makers. Buckle up, because these are perhaps the most popular money makers that require no money at all. It's worth nothing that they won't give a steady income, but they're a fun way to earn some additional cash. The first is testing. By testing, we mean food testing. Did you know that you can earn up to $55 in cash for just one tasting session? So what are you waiting for? Another worth looking into is focus groups for various purposes. They can pay up to $250. The flip side is also just as lucrative. They are getting paid to become part of scientific experiment. If you thoroughly understand the hazards, you might earn up to $4,000 by participating in clinical research. But of course, there's a risk to this, as you might be the first person to try a new drug, for example. So if you want something less risky, you can get paid to participate in psychology experiments. You can earn up to $10 per hour by participating in a psychology experiment. Psychological experiments today are much more humane than, say, the 1960s, so you're going to be okay. This last way might sound so strange to you, but here it goes. You can always donate your body. Well, not your body per se. But you can earn money by contributing your bodily fluids like blood and plasma. Some women are making a lot of money by selling their breast milk, although theoretically you are not authorized to earn from donating sperm or eggs. There is money to be made. Making money by selling your hair is a far more popular option. Some companies will pay you up to $200 for your hair. Number 3. Start selling stuff. Okay, now the bizarre way of making money is out of the way. We go back to the normal stuff. When bills are coming up, selling stuff might become your savior. When you're broke, one of the best methods to get additional money is to start selling things around your house. You likely have goods such as apparel, electronics, decor, furniture, kitchen equipment, tools, and outfits that you don't use anymore. You can sell these products online without leaving your house or spending additional money. Consider selling online through Amazon or eBay, or locally through Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. And if you have some old electronic devices you no longer use, such as an old phone, tablet, or game consoles, sites like Declutter can help you with them. Number 4. Offer to help someone. Craigslist became so popular because there are people in the world looking for services in various ways, and there are people in the world willing to do it. Necessity is the mother of invention, right? So consider your abilities and experience. Perhaps you could assist someone with moving or repairing a leaking faucet over the weekend. Maybe you might watch another parent's child after school or offer to mow their lawn. Other more modern apps like TaskRabbit will show you people in your region who need help with small tasks. You can start small by simply offering service, and you'll eventually come across someone eager to compensate you for your assistance. Number 5. Offering freelance services. As the saying goes, if you're good at something, never do it for free. If you are creative and good at writing, consider copywriting and magazine editing for relatives and family. Start by offering them a low price, understanding that it will profit you in the long run. That's completely fine, as you are just testing the waters and gaining experience. In this manner, you may benefit from a more extensive clientele while still making enough money to make ends meet. Ideally, these will be your primary customers. You'd be shocked how useful these may be in rescuing you from a life-threatening scenario. You can't afford to wait for things to fall into your lap when you're broke. You must pay your bills, so taking risk is the way to go. Number 6. Become a tutor. Do you shine in any academic fields, or do you have any talents like playing an instrument? If that's the case, put your head to work and earn some cash. You or your parents paid to get you to school, so you can also capitalize on sharing your knowledge and skills with kids. The best part is you don't need money to become a tutor. Your only investment would be your time. And if you're outstanding, word will get around the neighborhood quickly, and you'll get a lot more referrals. Tutoring anywhere from 3 to 5 students is the most efficient way to earn money. When you're just starting, how do you discover people to tutor? Well, just like how you would sell a product, talk to people, post flyers, and use social media for marketing. In other words, advertise yourself. Tutoring is another one of those things where obtaining new customers isn't tough if you do a decent job. Number 7. Advertise on your car. This last item on our list is for those who don't have enough money now, but have bought a car before. So this is not for everyone. You might notice this, but companies pay drivers to advertise their brand on their vehicles. There are 2 approaches to this. You could approach local businesses and ask if they'd be interested in using your automobile as a moving billboard yourself. Or you could sign up for a service that will handle all of the advertising and setup for you. If you're willing to have a slight redesign of your vehicle, then this would not be a problem for you. Also, keep in mind that advertising agencies will get a portion in the profit in some cases. I like this option because it's a passive income. You have to just go about your routine and get paid for adverts on your car. Just remember that being broke is just a state of mind. If you're willing and creative, finding a way to create extra money is as easy as ABC. Set a financial goal for yourself and consider trying one or more of these quick money-making options. That's our video for today. We hope you liked that one. If you have any interesting stories or experiences about how you made money, we want to read about them in the comment section below. Join us again next time here in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips in achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.